Hello everyone, this is TA201 Lab and we are group 7 from the Friday batch and we are going to present before you all a Rubik's Cube project. And there we go.
Okay, so the outline of our project is the Rubik's Cube, which has 26 basic pieces consisting of 3 types of main pieces. One is the corner piece of the cube, which is the 3x3x3 cube. One is the axle piece, which comes at the axis of the 6 axis, and one is the edge piece. The code works because
The entire structure of Rubik's Cube is all its design, and all its pieces are made in such a way that they form a circle-like structure to allow its movement in a rotational
fashion.
fashion.
This
So now
is
we'll-
one axis, and you can see that it forms a circle. If we arrange and assemble the entire piece, it will be a perfectly circular assembly on all 3 axes. Hence, it moves on all 3 axes.
Now we'll assemble. Okay, we are going to assemble its first layer now. These are central pieces.
Look how they fit just exactly because we've made their noses.
The last piece. We'll now show you its rotation. The exit piece is yet to be finished.
That's why these pieces are a little loose.
Now this is the first layer. You can see it really rotates about this axis. Now we'll fix this layer. These are the axle pieces. We have made a bigger holes so that it can go easily in this cube, and we'll use washer and nuts.
These pieces are not perfect cubes, but they actually have certain projections, which you can say they are the noses. They look all similar from outside, but inside each piece has a different nose, such that it fits. And the center piece, as you can see, will bind onto all these noses so that they don't fall apart. And that's how it stays in this shape.
This is the final assembled first layer. You can see it really rotates about this central axis, and similarly the last layer will be
layer will
bored, and we'll get a perfect
cube.
Perfect cube.
Thank you.
So this is our final project, Rubik's Cube. 6 pieces.